Hi there, what's going on today? This is Daniel recording a tutorial video from Los Angeles today. I would like to show you guys how do I solve beta pixels of 2.6mm LED modules in less than 2 minutes. Are you ready? Here we start. I hold the heater nozzle vertically upon new pixels. Focus the hot air in a certain distance, and then as we can see, the last pixel is going to be lit on in a couple more seconds. Here we go. Let's do a final check to confirm it by switching different colors and the slashes. So basically, this repair job is done in 1 minute plus 10 seconds. I would like to show you another example. In this module, there are 8 beta pixels, so it's even worse than the previous one. But don't worry, we are still have confidence to get it repaired soon. We do the same as the previous one. Put the heater nozzle upon new beta pixels, and then we start to give hot air to get the temperature higher. During this time, we will keep an eye on the changes of pixels. Actually, all we need is practice with good enough timing. The timings cannot be too short or too long. Now we are still waiting for changes by counting seconds. I believe it is almost. Here we go. It's done already. Let's check again before it cools down. So technically, this module we solved it. It takes about 1 minute plus 33 seconds to repair it. If you want to know more details, or if you are looking for someone to repair, feel free to give me a phone call today. I would be more than glad to be of help. I can be reached at 323-687-550. Again, 323-687-5550.